Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator on a desktop computer step by step. Since Google Authenticator is mainly designed for mobile devices, I'll also show you the easiest way to access your authentication codes on your computer. Let's get started. Google Authenticator is a security app that generates one-time verification codes used for two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. These codes help protect your accounts from unauthorized access. While the app is usually used on phones, there are ways to access similar functionality on a desktop. Step 1. Install Google Authenticator on your phone. First, install Google Authenticator on your smartphone from the App Store if you haven't already. Open the app and set it up by scanning the QR code provided by the website where you are enabling two-factor authentication. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication on a website. Go to the account settings of the website you want to secure. Look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. Choose the option to use an Authenticator app. The website will display a QR code. Step 3. Scan the QR code. Open Google Authenticator on your phone, tap the plus icon to add a new account, select Scan a QR code, point your phone camera at the QR code shown on your desktop screen. Once scanned, the account will appear in your Authenticator app and start generating verification codes. Step 4. Use the code on your desktop. When logging in on your computer, enter your username and password first. The website will then ask for a verification code. Open Google Authenticator on your phone and enter the current 6-digit code displayed for that account. These codes refresh every few seconds for security. Optional desktop alternatives. If you want Authenticator codes directly on your desktop, you can use desktop-compatible Authenticator tools or browser extensions that support the same time-based one-time password system. These tools allow you to store and generate authentication codes without needing your phone each time. However, make sure you only use trusted applications and keep your accounts secure. Important tip: always save backup codes provided by the website when enabling two-factor authentication. These codes help you recover access if you lose your Authenticator device. And that's it. That's how you use Google Authenticator with your desktop step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical security tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.